Hello everyone, it's Alina here, and again, traditionally we're doing our Sunday walk. Today plus 20 degrees and we're going to have a beach walk. So last time we went other way, right there. It was 2.5 kilometers to golf club, and today we're going to have beautiful beach walk right there, 800 meters from Vasilia View project. So let's go! This road goes right away to the beach, and 150 meters from Vasilia we have huge supermarket coming soon to a Santa Fe area. And here we are. Over there we have the biggest discounter coming up to the area, so you will get the best products and the best prices in North Cyprus. And just behind me you see shop Bahçemo. This is the biggest furniture shop in North Cyprus. On our way to the beach from 250 meters from Vasilia, we have 2 tennis courts and 1 basketball court. Also on the way we have playground for kids and outside gym with park zone, where you can walk with your kids, with a dog, and as you see the infrastructure is perfect for life here. It's very nice to have the walk with all these animals and beautiful nature around. The nature is fantastic here. You should come and enjoy yourself. In the end, on your way, you will see the small path which goes right to the beach. And finally we're here. Thanks for watching.